Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix the Instagram Reels friends option not showing. If your friends option is missing, don't worry, I will explain all the reasons why this happens and give you step-by-step solution. So let's get started. Okay, first talk about why this happens. Number 1, the feature has not rolled out to your account yet. Number 2, you are using a business or creator account instead of a personal account. Number 3, your privacy settings are set to public. Number 4, you are using an outdated version of Instagram. Number 5, there's a temporary Instagram glitch. Okay, let's fix it. I will show you step-by-step solution. First, go to your Play Store or App Store. Now search here Instagram and make sure your Instagram app is updated. Now go back. Now step 2, go to your Instagram account. Click on menu icon or profile icon. Now tap on 3-dot menu. Scroll down and find Creator Tools and Controls. Now tap on it. Now scroll down and find Switch Account Type. Now tap on it. Now switch to Personal Account. Now step 3, go to profile menu, click on 3-dot, scroll down, now tap on account privacy, make your account private, now tap on switch to private, now go back. Now step 4, go to your phone settings. Scroll down and find the app management. Now tap on it. Now search here Instagram. Tap on it. Tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear the data. Then allow all the permissions. Step 5. If this method not worked, you need to log out and logging back your Instagram account. If you have tried all the steps and the friends option is still missing, it means Instagram has not rolled it out for your account yet. In that case, you will need to wait for the next update, but keep your app updated so you get it as soon as possible. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick fixes and tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.